manufacturing industry is at the center of a huge global technology transformational shift. There's huge opportunity for innovation and growth potential, and manufacturers who get it right will receive significant rewards. However, there are risks and challenges and technological hurdles which exist in the landscape of a turbulent geopolitical environment. Projected growth rates vary, but all agree there will be a steep increase with around 30% annual growth rates across the value chain, from battery manufacturing, mining, mineral exploration, refining, and recycling. Looking at lithium-ion batteries, global demand is expected to grow from 185 gigawatts per hour to over 2,000 gigawatts per hour by 2030. This growth is being driven by electric vehicles, which are projected to make up 40% of all car passenger sales by 2030. Lithium-ion batteries are, however, facing competition from rapidly developing solid-state battery technologies. These batteries will address key concerns consumers have of range and charging time. Toyota Motors has reported it is moving towards production of solid-state batteries for the next generation of electric vehicles, manufacturing of which is expected to begin in 2027 or 28. Moving away from electric vehicles, batteries are becoming increasingly integrated into renewable energy systems, enabling the storage of solar and wind-generated electricity for use during periods of high demand or low supply. These battery energy storage systems typically range from using lithium-ion, lead-acid, and flow batteries. In particular, there is increasing investment in the research and development of flow batteries, as they typically offer a longer lifespan.